Monday, the Indigenous Nationalist Party of Tripura (INPT) joined in alliance with the Pradyut Kishore Debarman's newly formed party Tripura Motha. In a press conference, the similar statement has been given by Pradyut Kishore Debarman in the presence of INPT Supremo Bijay Rankhal. According to previous assumption of the political analyst, various changes in the political equation can be witnessed in the state, centering the forthcoming ADC polls. Even as the ruling BJP-IPFT coalition and the new party Tripura continue to bicker over the seat-sharing arrangement and alliances for the polls, the INPT, which previously denied for alliance with the Tripura as IPFT didn't agree to untie bonds with the ruling BJP, has now formed an alliance with the Tripura when the IPFT is not in the scene. Moreover, former MLA Animesh Debarma, who earlier merged his political party and city into INPT, had officially switched over to Pradyut Kishore's Tripura, leaving the INPT in cold. But the INPT from the beginning maintained a tough stand against the alliance. INPT was the first political outfit that responded to the call of Thacha or unit given by Pradyut Debarman. But as the ruling BJP's LEIPFT that comparatively has a robust presence in the hills hatched an alliance with Tripura, there was every reason for the INPT to worry about its status in the regional alliance. But now as the IPFT broke ties with Pradyut's Tripura, the INPT didn't waste a minute to join in alliance with the Tripura, which has been officially declared on Monday.
आज त्रिपुरा का ओल्डेस्ट रीजनल पार्टी जो त्रिपुरा में है INPT, वो भी हमारे थांचा के कॉल में, यूनिटी के कॉल में, वो भी आज हमारे संग एक हो चुके हैं और वो भी Tripura Motha INPT जो हमारे with the support of TSP with the merger of IPFT Tripura Land State Party and the support of IMPC, हम लोग सब एक अम्ब्रेला के अंदर, एक बैनर के अंदर आने वाले ADC इलेक्शन लड़ेंगे। मैंने आज से 2 साल पहले एक बात कहा था, थांचा which means एकता, यूनिटी, किसी के अगेंस्ट नहीं कहा था, लेकिन मैंने कहा था कि हमें एक होकर एक आवाज़ में क्लीन रीजनल अलायंस चाहिए। 100% अलायंस नहीं हुआ है, 99% हुआ है, लेकिन 99% भी पॉलिटिकल हिस्ट्री में वन ऑफ इट्स ओन है।
Moreover, the Tripura Indigenous Progressive Regional Alliance of Pradyut Kishore Debarman declared list of candidates into 17 seats for the forthcoming ADC polls. Later, at a press conference on Monday night itself, the INPT declared list of candidates into 5 seats in the ADC polls.
Karamchara ST, Bijay Kumar Rankhal, President INPT, Samunu ST, Ratish Tripura, and INPT SGS, Jirene ST, Jagadish Debarma, and the INPT General Secretary, Anthony Gulagati, Shankar Debarma, and the AGS, Siranchori, Manu Bambu, Dan Sen Tripura, Modi, Nagayati, and the Central Committee Sadasya. 8 person, Norai Kortesi, and the এলাইনে ত্রিপুরা এলাইনে
আমাদের সাথে অন্য কোনো
দলের সঙ্গে আমরা কোনো কথা বলতাম না, আমরা তাদের সুবিধা আছে।
However, seat-sharing issues with the INPT are not yet clearly briefed by the supremos of both the regional parties. Bureau Report, Halabol.